Hello all of you, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between stress and the pressure. So many of you asking in the comment section, sir, what is the difference between stress and pressure? We didn't understand, please elaborate. Okay, so now the time to explain about the stress and pressure, the difference between the stress and pressure. You can see here. So what is the stress? We all of you know that stress is the internal resisting force and the pressure is the external force. So main difference, two differences you can write here. Stress is the internal resisting force. This is the internal resisting forces. Okay. So what is the pressure? Pressure is the external force only. Okay. So stress is the internal resisting force. You have to remember, in the previous class we have discussed about the stress. What is the internal resisting force? You can go back and see that video. Okay, so again what happened? Stress, another point of stress is this is a tensor quantity and here this is a scalar quantity. So if someone asks what is the tensor quantity and scalar quantity, you can also visit my YouTube channel. You will be see there what is the tensor quantity and the scalar quantity. Here just you have to know that the difference between stress and pressure. Okay, just remember the points. Another thing is we can say if it is a body, then stress can be applied here as the direct stress. Okay, this is the direct stress, or we can say it can be the perpendicular stress. Okay, this is the force F is applied on a body, means directly applied on a body or the perpendicular applied on a body. Okay, or we can say this is also applied by parallelly. Parallel force also we can say, means the stress acts as directly or parallelly. Okay, but here in the pressure always acts normal to the क्रॉस सेक्शन. ओके, जो कि हमारा क्रॉस सेक्शन होता है वो नॉर्मल ही एक्ट होता है, मीन्स डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेस यहां पर हम लिख सकते हैं. डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेस, डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेस ही हमारा जो नॉर्मल स्ट्रेस होता है. ओके, ड्यू टू द डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेस प्रेशर अराइजेस. ओके, डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेस, डायरेक्ट कंप्रेशन स्ट्रेस. ओके, means it is a body when the force acts compression force. This is the downward force. Okay, that is the compression force. This type of force if arise, then it will be the pressure. Okay, then another point is there is no device to measure the stress. Okay, there is no device to measure stress. ओके, तो स्ट्रेस मापने के लिए कोई डिवाइस आज तक नहीं बना, लेकिन वी कैन कैलकुलेट द स्ट्रेस बाय अप्लाइंग द फॉर्मूला स्ट्रेस इक्वल टू व्हाट, फोर्स अप्लाइड टू द क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया. ओके, बट वी कैन नॉट मेजर द स्ट्रेस. देयर इज नो डिवाइस इज डेवलप्ड टू मेजर द स्ट्रेस, and here to measure the pressure we have the devices. Okay, so we can write here the it can be measured by device. any device जो प्रेशर मेजरमेंट करने के लिए जो डिवाइस होता है, डिवाइस से हम प्रेशर मेजरमेंट कर सकते. अगेन another point is without pressure विथआउट प्रेशर मीन्स जो प्रेशर होता है वो कंप्रेशन वाला, ये वाला जो कंप्रेशन वाला प्रेशर होता है, विथआउट प्रेशर और कंप्रेशन प्रेशर स्ट्रेस कैन नॉट डेवलप. तो प्रेशर होगा तो ही स्ट्रेस डेवलप होगा. So this is the difference of stress and pressure. So thank you to all of you for watching this video. You have to remember these things.